CBSE warns against the rise of dummy schools. 1 year B.Ed MEd to return from 2026 to 27. NCTE's major policy shift. Kerala Nursing College ragging horror. Disturbing video surfaces. Teen suicide sparks mental health concerns. Two Kashmiri girls cracked JEE Main 2025 despite challenges.
Hello everyone, welcome to Education News Network. I am Arya Vidya and today's top education news are: the CBSE has questioned against dummy schools, stating that success in competitive exams should not compromise quality education and overall development. The warning follows a report on Harsh Jha, who scored 100 in JEE Main Paper 1 while enrolled in FIIT JEE's coaching program and attending a dummy school in Nangloi. CBSE reveals that SJN Public School, where Jha was enrolled, was disaffiliated last year for sponsoring non-attending students and violating board norms. The board emphasized that coaching institutes cannot replace the holistic learning experience of a full-fledged school system. CBSE urged students and parents to prioritize well-rounded education over exam-focused learning. In a significant policy reversal, the National Council for Teacher Education (NCTE) will introduce 1 year B.Ed and MEd programs from 2026 to 27, nearly a decade after extending them to 2 years. The change applies only to 4 year graduates or postgraduates, while 3 year graduates will continue with the 2 year B.Ed. The full-time 1 year MEd will be available alongside a 2 year part-time course for working professionals. This revival aligns with the National Education Policy 2020 and the newly established National Higher Education Qualifications Framework. Additionally, ITEP, a 4 year integrated teacher education program, will become a regular offering from 2025 to 26 with specialized courses in yoga, physical education, Sanskrit, and art education. Five third-year students of Government College of Nursing Kottayam were arrested for brutally ragging juniors. A shocking video shows a junior tied in a coat, stabbed with a geometry divider, and poked with clips while seniors laughed. The victims were smeared with cream, had dumbbells placed on private parts, and was focused to endure repeated torture. Scared juniors were made to record the abuse. Police are investigating possible negligence by the college authorities, hostel staff, and a housekeeper. One accused linked to a left-leaning student body has been expelled. Authorities are also probing whether the accused used exported money to buy narcotics. A class 10 student in Bangalore died by suicide on Wednesday, jumping from the 20th floor of her apartment in Kadguri. Initial investigations suggest she took the step after being scrolled for using her phone instead of studying exams starting on February 15. The 15-year-old's father is an engineer and her mother is a homemaker. She jumped through a sliding window that lacked iron grills. In another tragic incident in Maharashtra's Nanded, a class 10 student and his farmer father were found hanging from a tree. The boy had asked for a smartphone for his studies, but financial constraints prevented it. Authorities urged parents to support children emotionally. Suicide prevention helplines Telemanas is 14416 or 1800 891 4416. Suicide prevention helplines Telemanas 14416 or 1800-891-4416 and Sahai 080-2549-77 Two Kashmiri friends, Simra Mir and Sadaf Mushtaq, have cracked JEE Main 2025 in their first attempt, scoring 99.39 and 99.50 percentile respectively. Despite facing harsh weather and internet shutdowns, their determination remains strong. Sadaf, a Pulwama resident and class 10 stage topper, believes education can empower Kashmiri girls. She credits her success to her parents and local coaching institute RISE. Simra Mir from Kulgram overcomes self-doubt through a disciplined study plan. Both students are now preparing for JEE Advanced, aiming to study at IIT. While Sadaf aspires to inspire more Kashmiri girls, Simra hopes to use technology for social impact. That's all for today's news. Signing off with Arya Vidya. For more such detailed news, log into our website www.theENN.com. Don't forget to like, share, and comment on this video and subscribe to our channel.